In this section, we'll learn about exponents and powers. But we'll start from the beginning. All of you know what is addition? All of you know what is multiplication. Now, how are these two connected? If I ask you that interesting question, and if you think about it, I am sure you will get a very simple answer. Addition many times, that is plus many times, is multiplication. For example, let's take 2. 2 added 5 times like this is what we actually write as 2 into 5. Just to have a simple visualization here, if I take 2 blocks like this, and if I do this, put this 5 more times here like this, 2, 3, 4, 5, the total number of blocks here will be 2 into 5. I'll get 10 blocks. Now, so multiplication is nothing but addition many times in common language, right? Plus many times will lead to multiplication. Now, what will happen if you continue thinking like this? What about multiplication many times? So, rather than writing like this, there we have multiplication many times is what we call powers. So, instead of writing 2 into 2, that is 2 multiplied 2 times, I can write 2 raised to 2, that is 2 to the power of 2. Now, 2 multiplied 3 times, how do I write using numbers? 2 into 2 into 2. In short, I can write 2 to the power of 3, which we can also call it as 2 cube. So all of you know what are cubes, but I can write this as 2 to the power of 3. Now, if I multiply 2 4 times, that is in words 2 multiplied by 2 4 times. If I represent it using numbers 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. In shorter language, so it's actually a shorter language, right? Multiplication many times, rather than writing it in length like this, I can simply write 2 to the power of 4. Now, this 2 to the power of 4, this format is called powers. 2 here is called the base, and 4 here is called the exponent. So 2 is the base and 4 is called the exponent. This kind of a representation we call it as powers. So what are powers? Nothing but, and in simple language, there's nothing new here. Multiplication many times. All of you understand multiplication. All of you understand the meaning of many times. So this concept as such there is nothing new here. It's just a shorter format. We will understand where we use these exponents and powers. What are the applications? How we can represent numbers in large numbers and small numbers using this exponents format is what we will discuss as part of this discussion. So it's very simple. Multiplication many times is powers. And when I represent 2 raised to 4, other way around, what is the meaning of 2 to the power of 4? 2 multiplied 4 times, where this 2 is called the base and 4 is called the exponent. So it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.